Okay, we're trying to remove a lock nut from a rear shock absorber. Our example here is a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And the problem always is that the piston rod is spinning when you try to remove the lock nut, since the lock nut is supposed to lock. With an 8mm socket, we can stop the piston rod from spinning, but then we can't get there with a wrench, since it's like deep down in a restricted mounting location here. And so we need a different tool for this. A special tool in order to spin and turn here. The lock nut is an 18mm wrench. And there we have one. This is from Harbor Freight, a 20-piece GO-THRU socket kit. Comes with extensions. And those we can use to get in there. Let me show you how that works. Even has a GO-THRU ratchet on there. Okay, you can look through there while you work. Very nice tool. This should work with many different kind of struts. That's how the tool looks like. And I left it in the box here. This display thing to keep all those pieces together. There's metric on one side, SIE on the other side. Goes up to 19mm. So we put the 18mm GO-THRU socket on. Then the 8mm, the regular socket. The GO-THRU extension. Then the 3/8 extension. This is this wrench, that's not right. Hold on, the GO-THRU wrench goes here, there, and then up there, this one. So now we are able to turn in any direction while we are holding the 3/8 wrench. And the piston rod cannot spin anymore.